have
platform.
no way. It's already started, so we have to.
Two people.
Yeah, I think there are two people currently watching this one. Let's see.
That's good. That's very good.
Yeah. Just wait me for a little bit. Okay, this one is mine. Just have a look. So I think we are on stream right now. Let's see.
Why these two two chat is different?
Which one?
These two.
Exactly the same. There's a bigger screen. Just give me a sec. That one doesn't matter. Don't worry about it much. Okay. I think we are on live right now. Just check the sounds. Oh, okay, it's coming. Okay. Okay, we are on air now. What are we doing? It's New Year, right?
To last day after 2019.
So today is the last day of this year, so we're gonna do live trading. Zari?
The second last day.
No, today is
It's
already
the last
31st
day.
of
Right,
December.
right, yes.
It's the last day.
Okay, today is okay. Everything is live now, so I checked the sounds, all works. So good evening, everybody. Today I'm gonna do live trading with my friend. So he's my friend from university that he studying finance and he interested in trading, and he just want to explore like the real market, what traders do in the market, like in the real life trading. So do you have any question or something interesting about market at the moment?
This moment.
Yeah, what was like, what were you looking for in the market? Like, have you been trading before, or you just like interesting want to do?
I have been trading before.
How was it? How's it going in the market?
Not
Did
good.
did you make money?
No, I didn't make money.
Okay, yeah.
I lost everything.
Today we're just gonna trade in the crypto market, and yeah, mostly crypto market, because I just found that there's a bit volatility today, and for the year, like forex exchange is a bit quiet today. I think most of banking they like closing down on their holidays, so it's very less liquidity in the market. Yeah, for now we are looking at the Bitcoin future on BitMEX. So it's perpetual swap contract. It means like there is no expiration date, so we can just keep going trading. We don't need to roll over the contract. Like if we trade like general future contracts, we have to derivative into like the sentiment date or something like that. Yeah. So what the area are you looking for? after you graduate?
Area?
Yeah. So firstly, tell me like, what have you been studying or what have you done in your classes like for the finance and economics, right?
Yeah, economics.
So,
I have done the economics and finance.
Do you have any thing like interesting from your school that that makes you like the thing that makes you interested in trading in the market?
I have learned some knowledge from the university that like similar, like some financial knowledge or economics knowledge. But
Ah.
for the real life, I want to use that knowledge to do the trade, to do the trading.
Mm.
But I don't know how to apply this knowledge.
It's like you don't know how to apply.
Yeah.
Normally,
Like-
do they teach you how to trade in your school?
No, they just
Um,
teach us how to solve the question.
that's gonna be tough because from school and like from school and from trading is different unless you take the course that they teach you how to trade. Yeah, because yeah, in my opinion, on like the way you study in school is more theoretical.
Yeah,
Right.
theoretical, not.
Yeah, and to apply that knowledge in the market, it's like you have to try to see how it works.
Yeah.
Like you have to see like, okay, if for example like if you look for the interest rate, right? In the series said like if the interest goes up, it means most of money will go to the bank, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they expect that they're gonna get like high interest rate. And when people expect interest rates going down, so they're gonna put money on like to the stock or in any investment. Yeah, just theory. So your job is like try to figure it out like this actually work that way, or yeah, just try to see in the market. Like you can check from like if you want to start trading like maybe like you interested in forex because it's quite related in the way that you study like
Yeah.
economics, right? So you can go like my FX books or like and any trading website that like they provide your what's that information like what's going on in the markets. So let's say like you go to like economic calendar, right? And they're gonna feed the new like what's gonna come in the market. Yeah, and then you can see like any market, right? And then you can look at the trading pair. So like if you see like okay something is coming up in the US market, then you can, or if they have something like okay they're gonna raise the interest rate or something gonna change in the market, you can't go like look at the trading view. Trading view is like you can see the charts from like different assets in the market. So it's like you just check is it exactly go in the way that the theory set in the book, right? So it's a good way to check it. So it's just, you can just go to chart like the you can check like for the stocks currency as well. So yeah, it's gonna be like this. So you just search for let's say like Australian dollar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are in Australia right now. Today is 31st of December. So it's like you look at the Australian dollar versus US dollars. If like people expect that RBA will increase the interest rate, so in the series said the currency is going up, right?
Yeah, right.
Appreciate. And then
People like
yeah.
to put money.
yeah, and then if you check it, why it's not go that way, right? You have to find something more in the market. What happened in that? Why it's not going that? Yeah, it's like before RBA decision is like there is lots of forecasting in the market,
Yeah.
right? And then people will expect something is gonna happen in the future. If people expect that the federal will increase the interest rate, maybe they might put all money in Australian dollar. It might go up, or maybe it may not. It may still remain. So you have to find out what's going on. Yeah, this is just like if you like, if you're curious or if you want to apply something from your knowledge. Yeah, but in trading is it's not related much in that one is just like alternative tool just help you
To understand the market.
yeah, understand the market, doing research. At least you can make like trading scenario from like fundamental analysis.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's thing designed for you if you want to apply. Yeah, and if you want to trade, you have to look like in the theory what is trading actually is like. What is that? Yeah, it's just like buying and sell, or there is anything more than that, right? Yeah. For example, like in trading, like if you go into like proprietary trading firm, that there's a lot like of prop trade, like they may like use technical analysis. Yeah, they may use like active trading. Some firm they may do like spread trading. Some firm do arbitraging or whatever that they can do is their own strategy or their beliefs. Yeah. So that trading is is quite like why. I don't know. It's just in my opinion. So, but for general knowledge, most people they do like statistic trading.
Statistics.
It's like they use what's statistic trading is like technical analysis. Why I call that statistic trading because technical analysis is based on statistic. Like for example, moving average. It's like they kind of like average like the price from like high low and close or whatever that they do. You can look on the formula or the theory behind that one. Yeah, you can search like moving average. It's like you can adjust like how many days you want to put it in, right? So if I never used this one, maybe I changed to the new one. Actually, it's just there's just words is like open and close, but I just want to use the easy one and simple to understand the concept behind it. We don't need to use something more complicated. So let's see. Where is a moving average? Okay, got it. So we have the moving averages. Can use any like simple moving average, it's fine. Don't need to worry about that. Yeah, okay, let's see. I just pick one tool to trade. So this is not like I'm not teaching you like okay, this is how actually work, right? It's not the basic, it's just for you to see like the simple concept to understand like what is the trading actually is, like how it works in the market. Sorry, I just put too much. My computer is so slow. What are you planning to do in the future after you graduate?
I'm going to be a trader like you.
Are you sure you want to be a trader? Why you want to be a trader? There's so many jobs in like in general in
Because I like gamble. I like gambling.
If you want to do gamble, I'm not suggest you to do that because you should start from the right mindset.
Yeah.
Trading is not gamble.
Okay. That's based on some technique.
Yeah, it's not speculator and gamble is different.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So I just use simple moving averages and then just okay, let's do stick right because we can see more clearly. Okay, let's back to moving average. It's like I use how many days? Sorry, I have to say check first. So this is very easy to understand, right? The statistic trading. So it's 7 days, right? It means that
7 day.
for the close. So it means that I collected the data from the like close in the day. So this candlestick. So it's like if it's close at 7,000, the other day close 65,000, right? Or the other day like closes 60,000, right? Sorry, 6,000.
Yeah.
Sometimes like 5,000. So they in 70 days, so they average and divided by 70 or something like that, and then it's created the line. Yeah. That's why they call moving average because they average this one. We source with the sources from closing. Yeah. So and then when people normally trade, it's like when the price go above the moving average, so they go long, right? Then when it's go below here, so they sell, right? That's what normally do like in the easy way. But there is some noise in there because sometimes when it's go up, it might go up and down. Like it seems like it's going up, but it's going down or something like that.
Yeah.
But we don't know the future actually, to be honest. But what we normally do, we do speculation based on information that we get. Like okay, you look at the information from fundamental analysis, like economics thing that you studied before, right?
Yeah.
And then when you see all the data and then everything confirmed, so you may like okay, let's say this is today and tomorrow RBA gonna increase the interest rate, and then okay, the technical is kind of confirmed that's gonna go up, so you buy Australian dollar, right?
Yeah.
And then okay, when the interest rate comes, so bang, so it's going up, so you're making money. Yeah, this is the theory, but not practical.
Yeah.
But for the practical is just something more than that. Yeah. From my experience. So what we're gonna do is like so we have the scenario. So if we go long, like we buy Australian dollar and it's gonna go up if we increase the interest rate.
Sure.
Yeah. But if it's not, so we have like many ways to reduce the risk. So you can like cut losses, like you stop out from the market. Let's say like you buy from here and then thing doesn't go in the way that you thought. So it's going opposite ways. You just cut loss.
Cut loss.
Yeah. That's the easiest way. Or maybe you may like do like hedging or something like that. But if you do hedging, you have to have like so many strategies behind that. If you don't, so if you don't have it, so you might like blow your account. Okay. That's gonna sad story, right? Yeah. That is like trading in general, not in very deep detail.
So how about if we do the cut loss, right?
Yeah.
If the price is going down like this, and after that it's going up again. But in that time, we cut loss, we close the position, right?
Yeah. If that happen, for my suggestion, I don't suggest you go more because if you go more and then you lose money, you not be able to control your emotion,
Oh yeah.
and then you're gonna be like gamble. You're gonna keep like betting, try to chasing losses, and you're gonna lose money. So if all things don't go in the way that you expect, you need to stop, and then you have to realize what your strategy was, mistake you make today. You have to learn from your mistake, and then you have to do your research again for the next bet. Yeah. Unless you plan like, if you can't go for $10, you look for the other market, right? Maybe you wait for the European market.
Yeah.
You do like more research. You may do Australian, European market, and USA market, and then you can trade. So if you can't make money from Australian, you wait for European, right? Because by the time you wait for that, you relax yourself. You do like the reflection, and then you try to find out what's going on, and then try not to make the same mistake again. Yeah, because if you keep like making the same mistake, you're gonna keep losing money in long term. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wait and see the market what's going on right now.
Yes.
So
So what's your prediction for the market?
for now, I don't have any prediction because like I mentioned to you before at the beginning, like there is so many type of trading. So technical, active trading, spreading.
Yeah.
Mm. So today I might use like combine together like so for the technical analysis there is so many things, like you can do like the price action, you can do active form from like the volume trade, like you look at the volume like to confirm like in the history of what's going on right now, like maybe big sell here, big buy here, or whatever. Yeah, just mix together and then do research and make a plan and then go in the market and do trade. Yeah. For now, I'm not interested in trading right now, so just wait until I see something that I can make the trade. But if we are unlucky, so we can't see anything interesting to trade, so I can't trade.
So you are waiting for the volatility, like if the
Yeah.
price going down.
Yeah,
So you
I'm looking for something that confirmation, because we can use like it's like the like support and resistance, right?
Yes.
So the thing that I mentioned to you today, so you have to do more research. You can't understand everything in one day. Today I'm just like share the idea to you to that you can go and work out by yourself, or if you done your research and you confused, you don't understand, you can come back to ask me. Yeah.
Thank you.
So it's like support is like the where like most, I don't know, it depends on people they do. In my way,
Spot and
yeah, it's kind of like if this line is like most of the prices sitting around here, like maybe many people they buy and sell a lot in here, so this can be like the support line.
yeah.
So if it break the support, it means it's gonna come down, right? If it can't break the support, so it will remain here, or it might spike up. We don't know.
So based on this theory, like
Yeah. So I can make this as a resistance because it's kind of significant, like price and people trading around here. So yeah, this is very interesting. I think we have like 3 people are watching right now.
so for this chart, so the price is around the resistance and the support line.
Yeah.
It's two. So how can we like make decision?
So for now, right?
Yeah.
So is break down here, so
Yeah.
I may follow short, so I can
Follow short.
make the short selling here.
Oh.
So if it goes in the way that I expect, so I can make money, unless it's not going in the way that I am expecting. So I have two choices, like get out or wait and see. Yeah, because when you do like strategic tradings, you have to do more research. You have to understand your system. What's your average risk? What is your average reward? Your risk is like when you entry here,
Yeah.
you short, right? It may not goes down straight away. It might like
Going up.
yeah, going up for a little bit. It's not your risk that you can risk for the system. You're not gonna get out. You're gonna wait and see. It's like maybe you risk around like maybe 100 points, and then you take profit at 100 point if it going down, right? So you set like you risk reward like 1/1. So the risk reward is like the risk that you can accept and the reward that you expect. So it can be like you risk one, you get profit one. You risk one, you take profit two, right? Or you risk one, you take profit three. Or you may risk like two, take profit one, something like that. There is so many rooms to play out. It depends on your strategy and your system. Yeah. Nowadays, if you want to survive in trading, you have to do many researches, and you have to be very passionate in the market. Yeah, that's what I suggest you to do.
Thank you.
Yeah. Did you find something interesting in that? Yeah.
Quite interesting. Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, if you have to, because in the market out there is a lot of smart people out there.
Yes.
To be able to make money in the market, you have to have something that different from like general people.
Yeah.
You can't make exactly the same like people do in the market. Yeah. If you do exactly the same thing, so I don't know, I have no idea. Yeah. How are you gonna make money, right? Because when you buy a thing, right, it means that someone is selling something to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you sell something in the market, it means that someone is buying from you. So that's what transaction meant. Yeah.
So if you sell something, you make money. The buyer, they lose money, right?
Yeah. It depends on what are they doing, what are their risk managements that they do in the market. Yeah. They may like let's say like you buy Bitcoin
Yeah.
at this price, so you sell at this price, right?
Yeah, we make money.
Maybe someone buy it from you because you sell it here, right?
Yeah.
And then maybe this person might sell this price into the next person.
Oh.
And then when it goes up, this person that bought from this guy, so he's gonna sell here, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, there's transaction. It makes like this in the market. Yeah.
So we make the money. The person buy the Bitcoin.
Yeah, they may make the other money, or they may lose money.
Okay.
Like, let's say like you sell it from here, right? And then he buys from you, right?
Yeah.
And then like the price keep going down, and then he can't wait, and then he sells here. So it's when he losing money because
Oh.
he bought expensive one, and he sells at like the lower price, so he can't make money. Yeah.
So what's your recommendation? Like, shall we just wait for more time, or just
It
close?
like I mentioned before, it depends on your strategy.
You mean the leverage? Oh.
No, your strategy. Like, what are you gonna do if you are wrong? Yeah, and what can you do
Yeah.
if the thing doesn't go in the way that you expected? So it's your job to figure it out, like what you're gonna do, how to deal with it. Yeah, the most important thing for trading is about your mentality, your mindset. Yeah, and then if you have a good mindset, you have very good mentality, and then you have a good setup for your trading plan. You make like strategies, you make scenarios. So let's say like you buy here,
Yeah.
it's not going up. So what you're gonna do? You may wait to buy around this price, right? To average the
Yeah.
cost that you bought it before, right? It's like let's say if you bought at like 7,200, and then so you expect it's gonna go up, but it goes down. Actually goes down, and you wait around here. You're gonna buy it again to average. So your average price is gonna be around here, right? Once it's going here, so you can sell half, and then when it's going up here, you can sell the other half, something like that. It depends on how you're gonna work it out. Yeah. Because if you don't know your system, maybe like you buy here, then you keep averaging, averaging, and then you don't have enough money, right?
Yeah.
Then it keep going down, so you can lose money as well if you don't have a very good risk management system. Yeah. So anything can happen in the market. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of open because everyone is coming to trade with you, right? You're not alone. So yeah, there's so like many people trading there. Yeah. So I need to. Okay, this actually feel I don't need to worry about that. I'm just checking the other portfolio. So I have lots of portfolio under management. Okay, this one I just wait the price to fill. Okay, so today's market is quite slow. Before we do the live trading, actually the market like just move a lot. Maybe we just look at the small picture. Maybe we can like zoom in
5 minutes.
to have something more exciting, right? So and then I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what I can do. Okay, I'm just gonna wait and see the signal. So if something happens, so if I have opportunity to trade, I will trade.
Let me guess. So the price is below than the average moving.
Yeah,
So I think
yeah, it's below smoothing average, but it's not gonna be like always below and always going down, right? Sometimes it's close here, it may break it. Yeah, so this one you have to keep an eye on it. If it breaks moving average up, so you can follow buy if there's a chance to buy, but unless it's not. So let's see. So I'm just gonna try to buy one contract and see what's gonna happen. So I already bought one contract, right? So let's see, it's fill. So if it's keep going up, so I will close it. So I bought at 7,302. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah. So if it's keep going up, so I can make money, but if it's not, I can't. Sorry for that.
okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I might get out, right? Stop losses. Yeah.
I predict.
What?
Expect the price.
What is your prediction? What is your expectation?
The trend is going down.
You think it's gonna go down?
Yeah, go down.
I don't know, but my price keep going up. Let's see. But I have to have at least I have, so it's 7,300. I close at 7,315 or 18. So I will close around this price, so
Okay.
16 or 17.
Yes.
So I will do the limit, because if I do the limit is like I just pending the price, waiting for someone to take in the market, so I gain like less free in the market. So in that 10 or 15 point, I still can make money. 7,315, right? So yeah, I will wait to sell here. So if it hits my here's is this point, so this is I set my take profit. So if it goes in that way, so I make money, and then I wait for the next trade. Let's see. Yeah. So we do live trading. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can keep trading if like the market keep going. Unless it's quiet, I can't trade because it's less liquidity.
Mm.
Yeah. To drink a bit water because I talk a bit too much.
Let's see. Let's
It's actually keep going up, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
going up. So if the price reach your limit, so you close the position,
Yeah,
right?
close
You
position.
make the money.
Yeah, it's when someone bought this position for me.
But how about the price is continuously going up?
I just wait for the next trade
Oh.
because I already made my decision that I'm gonna close at this price. If I follow, if the thing, like if things don't go in the way that I expect,
Why
so can't do anything, right?
why don't you like close the position when the price is going down?
Because we don't know when it's gonna go down, right?
Like I mean, if the price is going down right now, we close the position immediately, like just right now,
Why?
because the price is going down, right? We still make the money from a little bit.
We have to close at least 10 to 15 points to
Oh,
make money,
10.
because if you close below 10 points, it means that you have to pay for brokerage,
Oh,
for the fees.
it's more than
So maybe you might lose more than you gain.
okay.
So I close around 15 points. So it means that I still can make money.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Let's
It's
see
going,
if I can make
going
money.
up.
Give me a sec. Someone just text me about the work. So yeah. Think I'm gonna make money?
Yeah. So
We don't know. To be honest.
this one is for your limit. So on my perspective, so this red line is my like cut loss, right?
What do you mean?
I mean,
don't
I want to
understand.
short the short. You just know, right?
Yeah.
So this one is your limit, but this one for me is like cut loss.
Cut loss is mean that when the price go opposite your way. Your
Yeah.
direction.
So I
you
want to
cut
short.
loss.
I want to short this one.
If you short at in here, right?
Yeah.
You may cut loss from this price as well.
So
When you cut loss, it's mean that you sell to somebody else to buy from you.
so you will make money, right now. So is this?
If you go long, the price go up.
Yeah.
It means if you buy and the price going up, you make money.
So how about right now?
I buy.
You make
Yeah.
money.
And then this one, I just set the take profit.
Oh.
It's like I set this point for take profit, not for cut loss.
Oh.
Yeah. can actually close at this price, but I just want to wait and see it's gonna hit my target or not. If not, yeah. If
Look.
not, it means that the price is gonna come down.
Oh, okay.
Right,
So
to
so I want to see. So what
It's-
you gonna do next if the price is going down?
I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah,
And maybe
okay, let's
I
see.
may cut loss, get out, wait for the next trade. Yeah. But if I take profit, so I just wait for the next trade as well. I just keep trading. Yeah, because if you're a trader, so we have like to know yourself. What can you do in the market? I mean, you may be able to do lots of trading, like very frequency trade. You may like trade like over 1,000 transactions a day or whatever you can do. Yeah, it depends on you. It's very funny, right? It's just can go and hit my take profit, but it doesn't go on the way. It just keep annoying me. Yeah.
Just
It's
a
a-
little bit, right? Just a
Yeah.
little bit. Just a little bit.
It's so annoying. See, right? Oh my
So-
god, this is so bad.
So is this a real world?
Yeah, it's actually when you trade, maybe when you go to proprietary trading, is maybe it's more serious like this. They just can't like talk and trade because it's like it's quite a lot of pressure in the proprietary trading environment. It's very competitive. Yeah. For now, it's like I just you are a student, you still in university and you study, you have questions, you want to learn something from like the experienced traders that they trade in the market. Yeah, so you come to ask me like how to do. So I just show you like what's going on, how to trade, how to make decision, how to plan, how to do research or find information and so on. Yeah. So you just go into the market and try to study, learn. Yeah, you can ask me later.
It's a remainder.
Yeah, it's, actually I still can close because it's all cover.
Let's
Yeah.
see.
But I just make a little bit of profit, so I just don't wanna. I just wanna see too what's gonna happen. It might go down. We don't know. Yeah.
So the green means it's going up.
Yeah. Red means it's going down. Yeah. Actually, the market quite slow, right? But yeah, it is fine to do a trade and chill and relax today. It does matter. It's so slow, right? So may I check the other portfolio? Just wanna check it. Just gonna close this one. It is too much for consume too much resource. This one can't even open the position, so I need to wait for it a bit. Yeah. Do you have a monthly account?
Yeah, I
You
got.
have it, right? Yeah, you can try to learn from that account as well. Just try to learn and trade from that. Yeah, it's like when you go in like if you go for the monthly, it's like the free trading like for you and learn how to trade in their system. Like they have their own system, like risk parameter system. You can go and learn and trade. Yeah, and once you get the real account, you can let me know so I can fund you the like real account to trade. Once you pass your demo account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I just open lots of browsers, right?
the 50-minute, right? This one.
Yeah, looks like it's going down as well. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so slow.
Going down. It start going down. Look, yeah, start going down.
Yeah, if it's going down, so I have to wait and see what's gonna happen.
Why don't you just close the position?
Um,
It's not more than 10 point.
it's actually the same because when you close, you have to pay for the fees as well.
Oh.
Yeah. If it goes up, so you can make money, right? If you close now, you still lose money from brokerage. Yeah, it's not different. Yeah, as long as the price still go around here, I'm not gonna get out. I will get out when like the price break down here. Yeah, maybe yeah. I know I'm actually wrong, so I just get out. Yeah, but yeah, like I said today, it's not a very good time to trade because the market is quite slow. I think yeah, like I mentioned, maybe many banking or whatever, they go for holidays. Oh,
Pricing.
it's not going up yet, right?
It's going up.
Yeah, it's not actually going down. It just keep going up.
Going up again. Oh.
Yeah. So let's see what's gonna happen next. You think it's gonna go up?
No. For the short term, I think it's going up, but for the long term, I don't think. I think it's going down.
Yeah, we don't know. One thing for trading is actually we don't know. Yeah,
We don't know anything.
yeah. This one I just used like multiple time frame to see the trade. I don't know who's watching my live trading today. I don't know Thai people or like Western people. Yeah. If anyone is watching right now, if you guys have any question, you can ask me. If I can't answer, unless I can't. If I can't answer today, so I will try to find the information and answer it to you guys later. Okay, let's see. Yeah. If I have more time, and I might do like more live trading as well. It's for my own journey. Yeah. Okay. Are you okay? You wanna come here and talking with us?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can come. What you doing?
Over here.
You can sit down here in the back.
Just not sit in the middle.
Yeah, that's fine.
You should sit.
sorry, my table is quite small and
He's coming.
Okay, I'll sit here.
Can we see his face?
I think so. Yeah, let's see. Can we see? You can see from here.
No, only from here.
So it means that you have to come
Squeezing,
here.
squeezing.
Okay. This is one of his friend that he's in college as well. He's studying accounting, right? Are you
Accounting
studying
and finance.
Yeah.
Accounting and finance.
So what do you find out about your study?
Now, accounting and finance.
Anything interesting from your study?
Accounting and finance, they are really two different subjects. For accountants, they mostly looking at like legislations and laws, plus the numbers. And for finance, in uni it's more about the theory. more about theory than practical work. The stuff we learn at uni, it's really hard to apply to the real world. It's theoretical and it's hard to apply. So especially when we talk about this financial market, talk about trading, the uni does not teach you how to trade.
Yeah, because you don't. I think.
But then it definitely gives you about the background of this financial market.
Yeah.
So you get a lot of more understanding about the financial market. I think in a way that's a good thing, because we always need to know what we are dealing with. Especially think about this as a game. You need to know the rules to play.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. You should know. You should be able to know that.
So if you don't know the rules and you try to play the game, you will never win, or maybe sometimes you will win by luck, but eventually you will lose.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's good to know, but because when you study finance, maybe they don't have like the course structure that they're gonna teach you how to trade. But I think they provide
Because
you about portfolio management, right?
Yeah. During my study, a lot of the things are about the bonds. So how people borrow, how big companies borrowing money.
Yeah.
And this is also part of the financial market, but it's not trading. So it's different to trading. However, of course, bonds it can be an underlying asset. You can buy bond or sell bond futures, but that's another story. But mostly for the companies, they use the bonds to borrow to lend money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what the bond works in the market. Yeah. For the trading is just it's not something in the way that you guys learn from school. It's just I know, yeah, it's just like I mentioned before, like when we were talking trading and stuff. So it's all like about the speculation, or I mean you can do like the systematic trading.
I tend to find that there are more speculators on in this market than people doing hedges.
Yeah, like
a lot of speculators.
Yeah, like I mentioned before, like trading is more speculation, but not gambling. You know, right? Because gambling is just like you just expect. Okay, you think it's gonna go up, you bet. Like, and what else? What you gonna do, right? But if you are a speculator, it's like you have your plan, you have your strategy, you have your research, you have your information, and you make the predictions based on your information, not based on what you think is gonna go up or it's gonna go down. Yeah, that's what makes different from the speculator and gambler.
So, for the information, that's only for the long term, not the short term chart.
Yeah, you can have a short term, long term.
So, I mean, what kind of information can help you to predict the short term chart?
Short term is more like technical analysis.
Yeah, technique.
Yeah, it's like technique to like technical volume indicator, like to tell you. Yeah, there is a lot of indicators that you can use to implement your strategy. Yeah, but today I just like show you like the simple way to trade, not like in the hard way to do it, not in the like complex way that's gonna take lots of time to explain. Yeah, today we just make something like more relaxed. Yeah, because you you guys come to meet me
Because
at
it's
my
New Year.
office. Yeah, so it's New Year, so no one works today. So yeah, it's free to talk and ask. Yeah. Once thing back to normal, we can't do something like this. Yeah. So, see, right?
See.
The market is like actually it's like going up here, and going down here, right? I don't know. It's gonna maybe go down here, or maybe just sit around here and then bounce back again. We don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, just so this one like I didn't plan before trade. I just trade for now. It's just like so. Just wanna show you like the technical analysis. Like will it go in the way that the theory says in the book, or it's just gonna go opposite way, or maybe it's variable. It can go anywhere. Yeah.
From that it's really hard to tell, because it may try to hit the bottom again to test it.
Yeah. This can be like that. What time is it? Oh my gosh, it's 1 o'clock. I think okay, let's say this one, if there's nothing interesting in the market, maybe we might stop live and then we spread out to go for sleep. Yeah, it's quite late. Yeah, it's my brain actually is very tired today because yeah, I worked for the whole day from like morning until now. Yeah, so many things going on today. I mean, like for my work. It's very slow, right? Normally, yeah, on like normal day, not like weekend or on holidays, the markets move a lot, not just like stay there like this.
The volume is small too.
Yeah, it's actually very small. It seems like it's gonna go down actually, yeah, but we'll see. You can look at like very small time frame if we wanna see. Small time frame is for short-term trading. It's not designed for long-term. Yeah, if you want to do long-term trading, you have to do at least like 1 hour chart or daily 4 hours. It depends on your strategy that you want to do.
So for the short term, can we say that is the gamble? Because we don't have any information can use.
Yeah, we look at the support, right? So if it hits supports, I will get out, right? Yeah, we do something like very very simple way to do it today. It's like we look at the support, resistance, and moving average. So if it hits my support, so I have to get out like I told you. Yeah, it's like just simple way to do, not complex way.
Yeah.
Complex way you may have like the other scenario waiting from here, the other scenario waiting from here. If you decide to buy, yeah. If you decide to short, you sell, right? You may have like any scenario waiting around here. What you gonna do? You have to think very quickly if you do like scalping day trading. You can't like okay trade and talk. It's chill. It doesn't work that way. Yeah. like slowly going down, right? Slowly going down. It may not go down, right? We don't know, right? Yeah, but it might go down as well. Yeah. This is just easy setup for trading, not complex. It's like you can't use exactly the same thing for yourself. You have to find out what's the best for you.
The volume is getting bigger.
Yeah, it seems like that. Yeah. Before we used the computer to trade, we stay in the trading floor, and lots of people that may like have paper and write down like, and then they put the price, and then they have to like go and run and send it. Okay, I want this, I want this price, this quantity, something like that. There's no chart, only volume on the book on the screen, and lots of people on the line waiting to buy and sell stock and shares. Yeah, that's very old day. Not for now. For now, is everything is in computer. It's very easy to trade. Yeah, and yeah, the market is it's getting more harder. So yeah, it's gonna go down. So if it hits that point, so I have to, yeah, I can like get out, or I can follow sell, like cross buy and open short. If in that case, yeah.
How about if you open the short, the price is going up?
It could be.
So I have to stop trading. I have to wait for the next signal.
It could be because sometimes when it test the bottom, it can go deeper, a little bit lower,
Yeah.
and then bounce back straight away.
Yeah. Like I told you before, I can actually average the price as well, right? Like do the averaging. Yeah.
Okay, show me.
You have to wait.
Yeah.
If it hits here, so if I want to do the next trade,
Yes.
go the same direction, like go along, I have to go by again for the next signal. Something like that. Yeah. It depends on what you're gonna do. It's not like there is no specific way that okay, you have to do this and follow this, you're gonna make money. No.
No.
It doesn't work that way. Yeah. Right now, if it goes down a lot, if we can't average it, we have to change the direction, or we have to stop out and then wait for the next trade. But I don't know when it's gonna come. It's 1:30. It's quite tired. Very, very tired. So if the market is going down, or there's nothing to do, so maybe I might stop live trading. Maybe I can do the other day for my trading. What's going on right now? So let's say like I buy more.
In the support.
Yeah. So I buy one more to average my cost. So my cost is getting lower. It means that I can take profits around here. Yeah. But we'll see. I have to wait and see what can I do. I may not be able to make money today as well, because I don't close from here. If the price changes the direction, unless it bounce back, I don't know. It looks like it's going down, right? So we have to wait and see. It's like, yeah, it's kind of big sale that's going on right now, so we have to wait if we want to trade.
You just no one.
Just wait for this one is the like kind of support, so just wait.
It's a little support.
Yeah, this can break as well. We don't know what's gonna happen. So right now, just wait.
Ooh.
Yeah, we have to wait until that point.
The trend is going down.
Yeah. Let's see. We will be able to make money or we can't make money today because the market's very slow. Can see from my voice, it's very tired. It's almost US market, right? It doesn't matter, even though it's US market, people is going on holidays right now. Okay. Yeah, this one actually we should follow short because it's like kind of almost big break, but it's okay. So if in this case we have to wait for the next trade, we can't do nothing. We can do only like stop loss or something else. Yeah. So we wait for so long to. So yeah, for now we have to wait for the next move. You kind of sleepy?
Yes, we are sleepy, but we are waiting for the result.
Waiting for a trade. It's actually funny, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will buy more to average my price.
Buy more.
Yeah, because you want to see like how what's going on. What's like no, it's like I wish because you want to see like how to average the cost, right? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to you.
Follow the trend. Follow the momentum.
So this one, yeah, I bought more, rebought more. See, so see, I average the prices come here, right? So I can close around this price as well if I keep averaging. Yeah. So for now, I don't know if I can make profit this time, I will close it.
Oh.
I can close around 7,300 something. Yeah, I can close around this price. 304. Yeah. If it goes in the way that I expect, but if it's not, so yeah. So whatever I close this one or not, maybe we better go for sleep. Yeah, because I'm very tired right now. Let's see, I might close manually or I might wait for the take profit, but I don't know. Let's see. Don't know this time, but yeah, see. Okay, looks like it's going the way that we expect, but we don't know, right? It's gonna go the way we expect or not. But let's see. If it goes that, so yeah, I might be able to take profit. But if not, I might close and go for sleep. Yeah, it's very hard.
So you bought 7, right?
Yeah. Because I want to average my cost.
How about if the price still going down? So
We just get out.
just get out.
Yeah, because it should be enough for today. Yeah, because I'm a bit tired today. It's very, very tired. Yeah, it may not go in the way we expect because like due to the volume is very, very, very low. See, right? Yeah, it's right. By the time we bought here, right, we should close around here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's like we just want to see like what's going on if we don't close the thread. So yeah, I just show you it. This thing can go anywhere in the market. Yeah. If you see something not right, even though you set the take profit, you should close it. If you think it's going in the way that you thought or you expect. Yeah. This one it seems like it's not gonna go in the way that I expect as well because yeah, the market's getting quiet and then it's like less volatility and less volume trading. Then the market is quite quiet and so should we go for sleep? So we have to wait. If we can close, unless we can't, so we have to leave it be like that. Huh? Yeah, we don't know what's gonna go on, right? Yeah, this is market. This is how market works. When you trade. Nothing exciting.
So each position we have to pay the brokerage.
Yeah, we have to pay everything.
Every position.
Yeah. You have to pay. Unless we do the market maker, like we do the limit. Limit is like you quote the price, waiting for someone to take your position. That's why they call market maker. Yeah. It looks like it's gonna stay like this in a few minutes or maybe half an hour.
But as you said, you try to average your position, right?
Yeah.
But you still have to pay the fee for
Yeah.
every single position.
Yeah, but it's not like very big amount. Yeah. Because once it goes in the way that you expect, so it's like firstly you have to know like what's your cost, and then when you get profit more than your cost, you can cross position. Yeah, that's the way you can make money. So for now we just wait, see if we can cross the position. So yeah, or either we can't, like yeah, we have to finish live trading and go for sleep, because yeah, there's lots of things going on to do tomorrow. We'll see. Hopefully the market is going well. So tired.
Come on.
Yeah, come on. Let's go somewhere else. Just move. Don't stay like that. We're tiring.
Okay, 10 more minutes. 12 more minutes.
Yeah, then we can go for sleep. I don't know who is watching me right now. Maybe Thai people.
Three people.
I don't know. Yeah, 3 or 4 people are watching. Very slow. Yeah, this is Christmas time and New Year. It's actually like this. In daytime it was a little bit volatility, but for now it's nothing. Yeah, it's very slow right now. I think I make more trade. Yeah, right. Let's see. Let me check. I need to check my price. Do I get it? Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah. I got this one. Okay. So just wait for the next trade. This one is actually a bit slow, right? Yeah, it's going down, going down. I think we can't do much trade today.
So we should close the position.
Yeah, we can close. Or I can leave it like that and then come back to trade tomorrow.
Daybreak.
this one is Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's not Bitcoin. This one. It's not actually black. It's just like yeah.
Yeah, it's a really strong support. Not really strong support, but it's okay.
Yeah, we have. If we want to wait and see, we have to wait to bounce back. If you expect it's gonna go. Give me a second. Just contract for my work. Are you sure you wanna wait until I can take profit?
Give up.
Oh,
We up again.
I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen, yeah. But I really want to go to sleep.
Me too.
This is-
Can we sleep?
yeah, it might bounce back by the time we close. Yeah. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, I don't know. Or maybe it might keep going down as well. We don't know. It's like playing game, right? Okay, it's going up. Come on, going up. Don't stop. Yeah, if it goes like 50 point or something, I will close it. I'm not gonna wait. Yeah,
Too late.
Too tight.
yeah, it's quite late tonight. We need to get some sleep. Yeah, and work tomorrow. Very slow, right? You can see it. Anyone is watching? anyone who's watching, please say hi to me. Because we don't have anything to talk right now, so if you have question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep quiet and see what the market's gonna go. Oh. What are we doing? So we're waiting for the price, right? From my experience, it's gonna go like this for a while, for a little bit. Yeah. And then it will move again. It will move it. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be like this until it moves. The market is very, very slow, right? Hopefully we can close this position. What are you looking?
2 million left.
Normally I go sleep around this time after I finish trading.
Okay, let's go sleep.
Like I told you, it's gonna keep going like this really long. Okay, we might stop
Yes.
live trading right now. Thank you guys for watching me, and I will come back next time if I have time to do live trading. So when the market is back to normal, so maybe there's more chance to trade. So yeah, I will do live trading again next time. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
See you next time.